the information herein. Easily prepare the fungus breaker, instant eliminator of all nail fungus. Nail fungus is a hot topic today. Fungi that proliferate in the nails give rise to an infection known as onychomycosis. This originates from the action of dermatophytes, yeasts or non-dermatophyte molds that grow easily in humid and warm environments. It affects both hands and feet, although they are more common in the latter, especially in men. It is characterized by causing more visible than sensitive symptoms, especially when it is just beginning to develop. Next, we want to reveal a completely natural solution that, with only a few ingredients, will remove the fungus to save the nail. This natural fungus breaker is the topical treatment whose antifungal qualities favor the destruction of the microorganisms that affect the quality of the nail. Its minimum duration is 2 months in the mildest cases, but it can extend from 8 to 12 months for the total elimination of the fungus and the regeneration of the nail. In advance, it is important to understand that patience is the key to the remedy's work, since none gives immediate effects and continuous applications are required. This product is made with ingredients such as hydrogen peroxide, 90% ethyl alcohol, and the prodigious white vinegar. In addition, we will also add lemon and orange juice. All three are known antiseptics and natural antifungals that serve to treat various types of wounds and skin conditions. Ingredients: lemon and orange juice, 300 milliliters. 10 tablespoons of 90% ethyl alcohol, 100 milliliters. 10 tablespoons hydrogen peroxide, 100 milliliters. 4 tablespoons white vinegar, 40 milliliters. Utensils: 1 glass container. What should you do? 1. Place the hydrogen peroxide and ethyl alcohol in a glass container. Stir in the white vinegar and stir to make it all well integrated. Cover the jar and leave it in a cool, dry place. 2. Wash the affected nail very well, dry with a soft towel and apply a little treatment with the help of a cotton. If it is too thick, carefully lick the surface and rub the preparation. Use it every day, twice a day. As a complement to this remedy, try to disinfect your shoes, socks and all kinds of elements that have